Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change a team name in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. Now I'm going to be straight with you guys. You cannot change your team's logo because eFootball has registered all the team's logo due to trademark, so you cannot change it due to copyright reason. But of course you can change the name. So to change the name, you want to go into game plan after opening eFootball. From inside game plan, you can see your team's logo at the left side. Mine is Manchester United, so it's showing me that. And I will click on it. Once you're inside your team's logo, you can see the second last option called base team settings. You want to click on that, and from over here you can see where it says edit team name. You can click on edit team name and change your team name to anything you want. So I will change it to Manchester City rather than Manchester United. So after I write the team's name, I need to click on OK. And as you guys can see, the team's name has changed and it has loaded for some time. After it loads, it basically means it has saved your changes. I can just go back and you have successfully changed your team's name. So that is how you guys can change your team's name and logo on eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.